Hello, my name is Tanya Griffin, and I'm going to be talking about age discrimination in a couple of different areas. Age limit is 55. A lot of places now, if you're 55 or older, they think twice before hiring you. And actually, if you're 40 to 74, they think twice about hiring you. And 55 is the age that you think about. Okay, I got like about 7 more years to go because a lot of people retire at age 62 to 67 so they can receive their pension and Social Security. Age discrimination is illegal. Age discrimination involves treating an applicant or employee less favorable because of his or her age. The Age Discrimination in Employment Act is also called the ADEA, which forbids age discrimination against people who are age 40 or older. It does not protect workers under the age of 40, although some states have laws that protect younger workers from age discrimination. It is not illegal for an employer or other covered entities to favor an older worker over a younger one, even if both workers are 40 and older. Age discrimination in work situations. The law prohibits discrimination in any aspect of employment, including hiring, firing, pay, job assignments, promotions, layoff, training benefits, and any other term of conditions of employment. Age discrimination in the workplace can have following impacts on workers. Many people who experience age discrimination in the workplace give up looking for work or think about retiring. Involuntary early retirement, unemployment and long-term unemployment, social exclusion, outdating of skills. Age discrimination creates a negative working environment and causes distrust within a company. Age discrimination and harassment. It is unlawful to harass anyone at your workplace because of their age. Age discrimination in employment policy practices. An employment policy or practice that applies to everyone, regardless of age, can be illegal if it has a negative impact on applicants or employees age 40 or older. So if you're pregnant and you're 40 or over, if you're disability and you're 40 and over, race and age plays a factor in this category. Things you should know about age discrimination. Age discrimination is real. 2 out of 3 workers between the ages 45 and 74 say they have seen and experienced age discrimination at work, and job seekers over age 35 cite it as top obstacle to getting hired. And if you happen to work in the high-tech or entertainment industries, your chances of experiencing age discrimination is even higher. Join our fight against age discrimination in the workplace. Age discrimination is illegal at any stage of employment, including during hiring, promotions, raises, and layoffs. The law also prohibits workplace harassment by coworkers, supervisors, or clients because of the age. The ADEA applies to employers that have at least 20 employees. Some states have stronger protection. Also prohibit mandatory retirement ages except for a few exemptions, such as airline pilots and public safety workers. It is currently legal for employers and prospective employers to ask your age as well as your graduation date. In 2009, the U.S. Supreme Court ruling made it harder for older workers who experienced proven age discrimination to prevail in court. The court said plaintiffs must meet a higher burden of proof for age discrimination than for other types of discrimination. In other words, the Supreme Court moved the law backward and sent a message to employers that some amount of proven discrimination is legally allowed. Supreme Court rules in case involving age. The court and Congress had deliberately given federal workers more protection than workers in the private sector or workers in state and local government. The Congress wanted to hold the federal government to a higher standard than state and private employers is not unusual. The federal government has long adhered to expansive anti-discrimination policy. It is the policy of the government of the United States to promote the full realization of equal employment opportunity through an affirmative program. An employment policy or practice that applies to everyone regardless of age can be illegal if it has a negative impact on applicants or employees aged 40 or older. Age discrimination involves treating an employee differently because of their age. There are many ways that age can play a factor in discrimination, such as in work situations, harassment, and employment policies and practices. These type of age discrimination is illegal and should not be practiced at any time toward anyone. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.